Yeah, we got keys in the room, keys in the room. Ooh, we got keys in the room, keys in the room. I'm pleased for sure. We got keys in the room. I'm not sneezing on brooms. I got keys in the room. You know Mel is laughing at me, but I'm feeling so happy. I feel like I'm Laffy Taffy emotionally when I'm on the beat. You know I'm so alive because the cipher is not complete without introducing our guest Kiki. What's up, Kiki Mikkelsen? You're hitting the beat.
I'm doing really good today. Hey. I'm happy to be here. I'm really happy to play. Oh, sneezing on a broom. I heard that and I said, oh my God, achoo!